A warm welcome to ChatGPT Basics, a part of Tech Pause program from me, Thangu Thangeshwari, to help you overcome all obstacles and win in life and business or career with the power of tech magic. So, I help you to be your own boss with technology and many other skills based on my actual past paid trainings, and you learn over 100 plus technologies, including some marketing or branding secrets. So I've taken many trainings, and there are more trainers coming to my academy to train. And it's people say my knowledge is beyond, and the trainers I'm getting are really good, and their knowledge is beyond too. So coming to what is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is very simple AI human conversations. You get detailed answers. The full form is generative pre-trained transformer based on the algorithm it uses. It's not very complex, it's not something magical. It is just an evolution of chatbot, and it helps humans to get detailed solutions with the right questions. You can, there are various benefits. We'll go get into it detail. The demo is going to be very interesting. And why chat gpt? AI helps when humans do not help, and definitely Chat GPT is going to be here for a long time because conversations are here to stay for a long time. And there is a fear from Google that Chat GPT might disrupt Google just as Google disrupted Yahoo long back. So similarly, there is a huge potential for Chat GPT. Probably you and many people are already using Chat GPT, uh, but there are both good and bad. We'll see that later. Some of the sample applications are you can find the code, you can write the code, you can compose music, you can create content for marketing, and it's really useful. So I just tested it out and it's really awesome. So the benefits are you can be very creative. I tested the creativity part, it's not still as good as a human. So when I write the content, I write it in a personal level. I look based on my experience, and I understand there's a receiver, and based on that we speak. But still, it's not come to that level, but yet it's very good. It can save time and money, and I found that it's a joyful experience. So let's look at some sample applications. We'll be seeing a demo of that. It's going to be super helpful for business. So especially in the school, college education, none of us have learned marketing. So of course, I'm going to have separate programs for marketing, but till you don't know marketing, these AI tools are going to help you, like how to create content, how to make sales, how to do cold marketing, and a lot of things you can do without spending huge dollars or time. So they give instant solutions, and you can get sales easily, and content creation for various areas. And I'll be showing you some things which are going to be helpful for you too, and music and poem, and you can write code. So, and it's very specific. If you give the right queries, you get specific good answers. So we look at the demo. So I will start with something called tagline. So I'm going to ask the chat GPT to write tagline for Thangu Academy. So tagline is like few lines which describe a brand. So I have my brand, and previously it was giving a different answer. So learn with us and make your dreams come true. And of course, many of my students have really felt is true. And the previous answer I got was realize your full potential, which I liked. So learn less, do more is one of the short tagline you use. So any business, so you can even try to think of some idea and write the tagline. So tagline is very important, and when you do the branding, so many concepts are there. And when you are new to marketing, so these things can be very helpful. So we look at many more to come. So we just started with small one-line answer. Next, if you want to know something, so let's say I want to know what is ChatGPT. So if I'm new to ChatGPT, I'm asking a question. So it's saying ChatGPT is a natural language processing AI model that is designed to have a conversation with a user. AI is trained with conversational data and is able to generate human-like responses to user queries. So let's now look at something else. So let's say I want to write a poem on SharePoint. So this is a technology. So those of you who love technology, many have asked me, is SharePoint here to stay for a long time? Of course, it's going to stay. So this is a technology, but look at the poem. It's a place to share, collaborate, and prepare, a platform to store data and organize with great care, workspace for work to be done, an intranet for teams to stay connected, a document library for documents to be stored, and list to keep track of records. So it's a beautiful answer it has given. It's not just search results, it's a beautiful content creation too, and I feel that's really awesome. So this is a poem. So next we look at a code. So let's say I want to draw a star in PHP. So I'm asking it to draw a star in PHP. So it's writing some code. Wow. So previously it gave a different script, so I have to just quickly deploy it. So I test the same query in PHP. So this is also another answer it gives. So when I deploy it and it draws a star. So I never expected ChatGPT to give this right answer, but it's really awesome. Next, it may be many emails come to me asking to join my organizations, and I feel that there's a lot of errors. Like I have like thousands of mails to read, and the subject line should be good, and the content should be short and crisp. Of course, I do take time to read all the mails. But let's say you want applying for a job, so write a job application. Let's say there is a role for CTO. So let's see what this does. So look at this. So there should be proper spacings, and of course, I have the big. So look at this. So you don't really have to know. I mean, you don't have to know. All the marketing aspects are taken care of, and you just have to fill it with your values, and just you get the results. So those who, if somebody wants to create a resume, if you want to create a resume for a particular role, let's say you want to be, let's say you're a web developer or web architect, let's say solution architect, and we just let's see, and then we just write this resume. So look at this, it's generating the resume. Of course, you have to modify it based on the need. So I'm going to here share a very simple secret here. Of course, I many come to me for finding the right candidates, and let me be frank, not many have time to read the resumes. So what really matters is I've tested various replies and the short two-line answers. So or two-word or one-line answer. So I will just say that I am the perfect or I have the perfect candidate meeting your requirements, and the rates are negotiable based on your budget. So you need to understand the market also, and so give you a short. So find out what they want the receiver, and then based on that you write. So you, of course, this is based on the receiver. You need to do this is the standard, I think, and this is really perfect. But it's not really necessary to focus on all this and worry so much. So also another tip, if you're looking for a dream job or a dream client, or a phone call is very powerful with the right script. So let's say you want to close a sale for a product and you don't know about sales. Then this is one cold calling script. See, this is the name. I'm calling from this. I'm calling to let you know about an amazing course or product this is offering. This is to help you, and it's filled with valuable information. So this is currently on sale for a temporary time, and you can. And so if you want to enroll right away, do share the best time. So even if you don't know marketing and you don't know how to speak to someone for a particular thing, you can just find the right answer here and then go then test it out. So I was actually then searching for top trainers and I put top Thangu Academy. And this is a beautiful answer it gave. So I still have not come up with such text. It's saying it's an online training platform focused on quality education in the field of technology. It's one of the mission of providing comprehensive, affordable, accessible learning platform for tech community. So the academy offers wide range of courses like software engineering, web development. So different. It was a different answer before, but I really find it very impressive. I don't know how it's able to get this data, but it's really, it also offers mentorship programs and career guidance to help students grow in their career. So it's really awesome. It's generating the text which I cannot even think of. So enough of demo. So I recommend that you start going to open your account in OpenAI and start exploring ChatGPT. And I think many have already started. So coming to the best practices, plan well. Don't, this it can be getting addictive. So plan your day well and make good use of this technology. Search for the right things and you get and move your it's use it to move your life and business ahead and plan well and don't share secrets. It's not recommended to share secrets and don't expect the right answer. Of course, it's still a code doing something, so it's still evolving. So it's also always a good practice to not share your secrets and keep your secrets to yourself and so that your data is safe also. And so that's the thing. So let's look at some quiz. So we saw the demo. Let's look at some quiz. So drop your answers in the comment box. I'm not giving the right answer here uh, deliberately, but you need to just find the right answer. So what is Chat GPT? Is it generative predictive transformation or generative pre-trained transformation or generative pre-transformer or power transformer? So just drop the answer you think is right in the comment box. And then who created ChatGPT? Is it Microsoft or Google or OpenAI or Oracle? Drop the answer, right answer, and in the comment box. So what can ChatGPT do? Can it create content, create the code, create poem, or all the above? So drop your answer in the comment box so that so that you get to interact with other people too. Then what words help you to create code in PHP for drawing star? So when you're searching for anything in ChatGPT, make it as specific as possible. So what do you think is the right answer? So it has to search for something specific. So create a clear descriptive, I mean in detail what you want. And then is ChatGPT free as of 2023? What do you think is the answer? So coming to the future, of course, it will be here to stay for a long time, and it's going to be way more easier and more. I think it's humans more than humans. AI might build get your trust, so more AI and a lot of it can be easy to model. Many people have the financial problem, or health problem, or relationship issues, and ChatGPT can be a powerful way to make your life easier in all levels. So you're moving ahead to a good future because ChatGPT is a safe AI. The safety is a concern, so it's pretty safe so far. It's going to be safe AI, not just junk. All the data cannot be put. It's pretty safe AI so far. So thank you so much. And you're an awesome app creator. So definitely, if you're thinking of ChatGPT and you're hearing this, you are keeping yourself updated in technology. That's awesome. So if in case you need in-depth training from Thangu Academy on ChatGPT, either you want instant online course or exclusive course just for you, or you want a crash course or a 10-day program or 21-day program or a custom program like 90-day boot camp that's ongoing. So just submit your registration in thangu.com/TTA and you can be an excellent chat GPT creator. So you're welcome to join the groups from thangu.com/groups based on the based on your goal. If you're a tech person, join the tech circle. If you're a business owner, join the biz. And of course, there's a beta group where many products will be released for free for beta testing for those who are serious learners. So thank you so much. Wish you grand success. Uh, Take care. Bye bye.